Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume, which is relatively crazy given it was a half day today. And the markets are closed tomorrow for Christmas, so Merry Christmas, everybody. But nonetheless, quite the crazy day. A lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one on Thursday when the markets open back up. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. The first really main dynamic that I'm very curious about is just the amount of current downwards pressure on this one. And I get it, downwards pressure, that's just a word, right? That's just a phrase. But that's the thing that I like about charts is they allow you to take phrases and then make them more visual. So I say downwards pressure, but now we can actually see the downwards pressure represented by this trend line here. And really, until the price can at least break above that level, then there shouldn't be any sort of talk of upwards price movement. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that even if the price breaks above that orange line, then for sure this thing's going back up to $13. I'm not saying that. My point is that the bears are in so much control right now that it's essentially been the price just going almost straight down. So it is 100% the bears are in full control until the price can at least break above that level, which could, then signify that, hey, you know what, maybe the bulls have enough power to at least bottom things out and maybe might, turn things around. But as of right now, in my mind at least, that is certainly step number one is can the price even break up above and, break through this immense amount of downwards pressure represented by that trend line. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today right there around $10.70. So like I said, nothing fancy, no rocket science required. The bleeding finally stopped at 1070. So if this is indeed some sort of bottom, well then by definition you would want to see the price, continue to stay above that area and represent it being the bottom. But as of now, whole lot of downwards pressure. So we'll see if 1070 can hold or not, or see if the price can actually break above this trend line. But the week is taking shape to be quite interesting on Thursday and Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.